In this video, I'll show you how to buy real Twitter listeners on Fansgurus. Let's log in first. Log in with your account. Here is the dashboard. Open services on the left. We're doing Twitter, so I pick the Twitter icon. Scroll to find service 13,402, Twitter listeners. Let me open the details and explain it. This service helps you grow Twitter listeners with quality, stable delivery. They're delivered at a steady, controllable pace, so growth looks natural. Retention is high, so your count stays stable and rarely drops. Now let's place an order. It's simple. Paste your Twitter Space link here. Enter how many listeners you want. The price is calculated automatically. Check everything, click submit, and you're done. It usually starts within 5 to 10 minutes. That's how you buy real Twitter listeners on Fansgurus.